All right, y'all. So yeah, what I say sis was worth just under $23. Yeah, sugars, I surely would. She's definitely a more mature type of style, but she's given I'm grown and sexy. She's given I can pay my bills. She's given I ain't got time for your games, for your childish little games. She is given I am very unbothered and I'm going to do me by all means. She is getting, no, I'm just playing out, but y'all get what I mean. I think she's super cute, y'all. I thought I was gonna have to fight and fuss with her for a while. She took me every bit of 10 minutes to style, so it might be different for you because you have to get her, you know, to your liking. What tip would I have to give on sis? It definitely helps to go to Dollar Tree and cop you some of this dry shampoo or any dry shampoo. If you already have some on hand, use that to get rid of some of the shine. And of course, this helped tame the hair because when you fluff out, she can be a little frizzy, but she's more on the silky side. I love the texture. Her curls are absolutely gorgeous, but this Bobo's Remy leave-in conditioner does help. It's my favorite leave-in conditioner for especially for my synthetic wigs, but I put it on a lot of wigs though. I did take a little bobby pin and put a little hair to the side and tucked it back a little bit. So you can see one of my little Frappuccino earrings that I got from Shein. But yeah. Hey loves, it is your girl, lovely angel lady LAL. Thanks for tuning into my channel. So today we are going to review and get the deets on a synthetic cutie that I got from Amazon. Y'all know I've been putting y'all on when it comes to the affordable Amazon wigs. This one is a synthetic. She comes from G&T Wig Store. Okay. And I got her in a color 1B30. Can y'all see that? And I will include the info up shelf for y'all. But yeah, so sis ran me $22.37. But yeah, so we're gonna give her a try, y'all. I've been looking at wigs that kind of have that style with the curls for a while, but your girl was like, oh, by the way, if y'all hear like a lot of wind and stuff, Vegas is off the charts windy today. It's like 50 miles per hour. So if it sounds like the house is gonna blow down, your girl would be all right. So anyway, y'all, without further ado, let's get into this. Let me give y'all a few more deets on this chica. So mine is a two-tone ombre, dark brown. She is heat resistant. They say she's a daily style, so we'll see. Depends, you know, if you like to be a little extra on the daily, then maybe, you know, we'll see. But your girl is looking cute today. I put in a little cute fit, so I was like, you know, I'll go ahead and review her today for y'all. But yeah, she's a fashion wig. They say freestyle. I don't know, y'all. To see the different models or influencers rocking her in different ways. Some a little wilder than others, so it just depends if you like big hair, you know, whatever you like. She does have an adjustable cap, 21.5 to 22.5, so it fits a majority. That's about average, an average size head. Like I said, I have a 1B30, but she has soft bouncy curls. And yeah, so that's pretty much that. So not bad. We'll see. We'll see if she's worth the $22.37 of your coins. So let's check sis out real quick, y'all. If y'all have any questions or anything, drop them down below. I really thank y'all so much for watching. Please share this video. Sharing is caring. As I always tell y'all, your girl seriously appreciates y'all to the bottom of my heart. I really do. Your girl LAL loves y'all so much. If you have not subscribed, I hope that you will make it official and subscribe. Join the fam. It's free 99 sugars. Yeah, baby. It don't cost you nothing to subscribe and join the LAL fam. I'd love to have you in my life. I need to have you in my life. Yeah, y'all give me push, inspiration, motivation, encouragement. You uplift me when I need it. Y'all know my battle MG and lots of other stuff I be having going on, and I'm also a business owner, so just, you know, having y'all really makes a difference in my days. You know, it really makes my life worthwhile. So thank y'all so very much. I think that's pretty much it. I will drop everything down in the description below for y'all. If you are interested in copping, sis, hop on it. This 1B30 is adorable, so pretty, y'all. I love it. But let me show front and center, all up in your grill. Bam, back it up, LAL. Boom, to the left. Ow. Back to the center and to the right and to the back, y'all. To the back, to the back, to the back, to the back. Hey, hey. All right, so that is Ha, y'all. Introducing Ha. But yeah, sis is cute, okay? So yeah, I think she's worth my coins. Definitely didn't take me as long to style her, but the tip that I said I was gonna give y'all a tip, your girl must have forgot. When you are I would start fluffing her with the fingers first. Then if you want to use, like, this is a brush that I use for my natural hair. It's like one of those silicone type like detangling brushes. But this right here I got from Amazon, but that helped a lot because I didn't, like, you know, I didn't brush all the way through her. Yeah, but you can go through, like, if you have any clumps, or, you know, if you want to take some strands and kind of separate them like that. Really easy to do, but you know, you do you. You know, I can't tell y'all what to do. Like, LAL don't be telling me what to do, but I don't want y'all mad at me when you spend your coins and you be looking like you got a rat's nest on top of your head. Don't say I didn't tell ya. She told ya. I thought I told ya. So anyway, y'all, but yeah, that's pretty much it. She's pretty self-explanatory. Just reduce the shine a little bit. Don't go crazy fluffing her out, not too crazy, because you will get more maintenance and more wear out of sis if you don't go too crazy in the beginning. You can make her bigger, you know, if you like big hair, but the faster you do that, you know, your time is gonna be probably more limited on how long she'll last. Just, you know, just my recommendation. But like I say, you gotta do you, what makes you happy, whatever floats your boat at the end of the day. So your girl LAL loves you. Your girl LAL loves you. I cannot talk today, but I'm gonna catch y'all later. So yeah, stay for the pics, and I might sometimes, y'all know, I put like reels or shorts or whatever in the video at the end too, so we'll see. But yeah, stay to the end, and yeah, girl, we'll see you later. If y'all have tried this wig, I want to see some pics. Y'all message me on like DM me on Instagram. I want to see pics if y'all have rocked sis. I just want to see different ways that y'all may have styled her. So yeah, because I didn't see any videos or anything on sis. I just I be digging through all the, you know, wigs, searching on Amazon, and sometimes I get impatient. But I was just like, okay, I done had her in my cart too long. Let me just try her. I'm the guinea pig for y'all, so right. So anyway, your girl LAL loves y'all so very much. Hopefully you subscribed and joined the fam. Have a blessed day. Do something positive for somebody, as I always say. And yeah, have a wonderful and blessed week, y'all. Later, my loves. Ew. does is it real? Do the angels fall? Is there more to the deal? I don't know. I don't know. Oh, I don't know. Oh, I don't know. I don't know. No, I don't know.
I don't think that I can figure out where my mind is trying to go no more. No, 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 no. I can't figure out if I could make it out this box. I like to clothe me.